Tirang ba ka jela konrat kisang ma ulong ba ka jela mikraya ka dei ke brakiu state tam ha jela ha India bat kabut na din ya ke jela Tamil Nadu. Ha ka jingkran jeng uah ka jingra ki singilai lu ke bah nyop hunda jong kari India. Ha madan perlu mentaka sengi kasan tarik unaila ajab san ukondral ong ba ka jela mikraya ka wan ba ar ka jingkiu state ha kari barok kawai bat ka jela Tamil Nadu ka dei ke banangkong. Ula ong baga jingkiu ke mikraya house nem aja sawa absan galong kendai poin 100% ke balong march tang na house nem aja kat pra ha baga jingkiu galong tang san poin iwai persen ha baga soka MDE ha pok jingram jong u kala simti ya ka jing sensiar ha ka jela. Ula ong baga jingkiu ka jela mikraya house nem aja khasan khan reu kalong tang R% kat ba house nem aja khan reu khat new ka jingkeu kalong san persen nangta house nem aja khat new khat pra kalong 100% bat hawaja khat pra khat khandai ka keu se ka san persen bat kumju hawaja khat khandai arpho kalong hi san persen dai house nem aja apu ar apply ba ka keu se ka ro se ka 10% nangta haw aja apply apsau ka keu se ka khatwai persen barwa aja apsau apsan ka jingkeu kalong 10% kani ka jingkeu ka jela ka dai na ka jing minat ka jing plan ka biang ba ka jing tristom ka soka trang ba along ba house nem aja ka prak ka GDP ne ka gross domestic product ka jela kalong duna ya kalai pho hajar crore bat hakini ki news nem steng ka GDP ka keu arsya sya ka asan pho khandai hajar ruspa apun reu klor hakini ki news nem kiban sawan ka GDP ki jela kan sa keu shu sa arsya nak ba menta keban long ndo pho hajar klor sya ka silak sau pho hajar crore kani jingkeu ha ka GDP kan penyo kam chu ya samla kan plelat chu ya ginong song chnong bat kan plong ya ka jela mikraya bakan poi ya kadan basipho ha ka yo ka kot ha kari bat kani ka dei ka thong jong soka keban long house nem aja lai pu ar bat ka soka kan persyang katla kat yai ban poi ya kani ka thong la ong mutirang ba.
Meghalaya stands tall as the second fastest growing state in the country just after Tamil Nadu. Our growth rate for 2024-25 at constant prices is 9.66%. This is double the state's growth rate of 5.1% in 2018. when the MDA government came to power. I am also proud to share that Meghalaya is the only state in the country which has achieved a consistent growth rate of about 10% over 3 consecutive years post the COVID pandemic. This is an achievement that all of us should be proud of. And how did Meghalaya transform from a state growing at 5% to a state growing at 10%? Meghalaya's growth rate in 2015-2016 was 2%. 2016-2017 was 5%. 2017-2018 was 4%. 2018-2019 was 5%. And 2019-2020 was 5%. But in contrast, the growth rates in 2022-2023 was 10%. 2023-2024 was 11%. And 2024-2025 is 10%. This achievement is the result of years of persistence, careful planning, and the hard work of the government. There are challenges, but we shall overcome them. And we have done in the last 7.5 years. Friends, We are at a midway point in the 15-year journey from 2018 to 2032, when we commemorate 60 years of Meghalaya's statehood. In 2018, our GDP was less than 30,000 crores. In 7 years, we have doubled the GDP to 59,626 crores. In the next 7.5 years, we will more than double our GDP from current 60,000 crores to 1,40,000 crores. This increased GDP will lead to more jobs for our youth, more opportunities for every citizen, and make Meghalaya one of the top 10 states in the country. This is our Vision 2032, and the government is making every effort to make it a reality.